and welcome to my channel. I'm ZD and today I'll be drawing a sleepy cat. I was inspired by Lisa Parker's Witching Hour drawing to recreate my own piece in my own style. So this time I'm drawing it more as like a kitty pet because I was inspired by warrior cats. When I was younger, I used to always draw cats because I used to read the warrior cat books by Adrian. So I often had my own OCs that I'd give warrior names. I had a cat called Hope Flight, which you'll get to know if you read my Wattpad books. I'll leave links below to different things such as that. And so yeah, I used to always draw cats in particular more than dogs, even though I'm 100% a dog person. So I used to find drawing cats was actually easier than drawing dogs for me. So that was a little thing of why I wanted to do a cat drawing for this channel, because I noticed that I haven't yet, so I decided to do something a little bit different for you and draw a cat. So when I did the inking process, I did like a jagged outline just so that it looks a little bit more like fur. So I'm just retracing it with pencil here, just so that I can see it a bit better on the paper. So I just used my normal inking pens for this, but I used a finer one so that I can get like the rough texture and the jagged appearance of the fur. I just wanted it to still keep a manga style but look realistic enough, if you know what I mean. So I wanted to keep like the texture of the fur jagged and realistic but still fit like a manga style. Do you have any warrior cat OCs? Or were you ever interested in warrior cats when you were younger? Please let me know in the comments below, as I'd really love to hear your stories and whether you were interested by these books yourself or anything else. So I did the eyes with a slightly broader pen, so like I felt like I was giving the cat eyeliner for some reason. It was just kind of weird, but I was just thinking that when I was drawing it, like the cat's got eyeliner on. But anyway, so I drew the cat on like a soft bed, like a cat bed, because I just wanted him to look really cozy. I haven't thought of a name for this cat yet, so if you'd like to name the cat, please leave a comment below on your suggestions. Warrior cat names are appreciated. I honestly don't mind, even though this cat is a kitty pet. So please let me know below. So when I shaded the eyes, I used yellows, oranges and reds. So the reason why I used oranges and reds is because I used like the corners of the cat's eyes just to like shade them a little bit better, and it makes them pop out a little bit more because I've only used pencil crayons. I don't have any marker pens, so I just wanted to do it in colouring pencils anyway. Another reason why I prefer colouring pencils is because you can do a lot more with the textures and stuff. And when I was colouring the fur, I did it in lots and lots of tiny strokes, so it was quite a long process, but I was pleased with the effects afterwards because it just makes the fur look more like fur basically. And I also used browns and different shades of black and different things. So thank you for watching today. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.